Create a new project in Photoshop and then click on View and click on New Guide. Here, select horizontal, position, give 50% and click on OK. And here you can see a horizontal line added. Now again go to View, click on New Guide. This time select vertical, give position value 50%. And here we can see a vertical line added. Now I'm going to adding 4 new layers, and now selecting the first layer, and here I'm selecting this rectangular marquee tool and clicking on this foreground color box and selecting a color from here. Now I'm going to selecting this first part just like so, right clicking on the selected area, fill, and here content, select foreground color and mode, select normal, opacity 100% and click on OK. And here you can see the color added. Now press Ctrl D to deselect and selecting the second layer, selecting this rectangular tool, and now selecting this second part, selecting a different color from here, right clicking here, fill, OK, Ctrl D to deselect, selecting the third layer, selecting rectangle tool, drawing the second part, selecting a different color, right clicking here, fill, OK, Ctrl D, again selecting the fourth layer, drawing the box, selecting a different color, right clicking here, fill, OK, Ctrl D. Once you added color box just like so, now it's time to add our images here. So I'm selecting the first layer and going to File, clicking on Place Embedded and selecting my first photo. Once the photo added, you can resize your photo. You can also change photo size or position just like so and click on OK. Now right click on the image layer, click on Create Clipping Mask. Now select the second color box and go to File, Place Embedded, select your second photo and place the photo, click on OK, right click on the second image layer, create clipping mask, and now this time select the third color layer, go to File, Place Embedded, select your third image, place the image and resize the image. Right click on the image layer, create clipping mask, and now select your fourth layer, go to File, Place Embedded, select your fourth image, once you added all of your photos, now if you want to add a border, then here I'm adding a new layer at the top of this layer list. I'm adding the new layer, and here you have to select the rectangular tool, select your entire canvas, right click inside of the selected canvas, click on stroke, giving width 10 pixels, selecting white color for border, and location selecting inside. OK, press Ctrl D, and here you can see a border added. Now I'm going to adding a horizontal border here. So now this time I'm selecting here single row marquee tool and clicking on center, right clicking on this line, clicking on stroke, width giving 8 pixels, and location selecting center, and here you can see the border added. Now let's add a vertical border. So here I'm selecting single color marquee tool, adding a line here, right clicking on the selected, right clicking here, stroke, center. Okay, and here as you can see the collage is ready now. Now to save the collage, go to file, click on export, export as, and here format selecting JPEG, export, selecting a location, save, and now going to my file explorer, and here we can see the photo collage. So this is how we can create photo collage in Photoshop.